watching Siyaqala upsets me so much, guys. Isn't Lingani yo? Siyaqala upsets me so much. I don't understand how he's on TV, how it's even allowed for him to be on TV and be so disrespectful towards Thando, guys. Like, I wrote on my Facebook saying that I can't believe that Thando chose this man for herself, and people were saying, yeah, she was 16 years old, she was young when she made that choice, so we're not judging her. But now she's way older and she still chooses to stay with this man, so we're gonna judge for that. But we really can't judge people, guys. But on national TV, guys, like even in front of her, and she still stays. I know, I want better for her. I really.
Many people are worried ngoThando, but it seems like she doesn't care. Usin Tati, she's not the first one to do a video. I still remember last week Usima, she also did a video saying ukuthi uyamsonda kuSiyaqela. Guys, let me tell you, if uThando she make a decision right now to divorce uSiyaqela, one thing about South Africa, guys, they will do something for her. Maybe they could donate money so that she can build a house or go back to school. If there's one thing uThando, guys, she's struggling is to make a decision. I feel like uThando, she's failing to make a decision because the people around her, if you take a look, amakhosikazi yakwaDlamuka, guys, they believe in begezeling. You need to begezela as a wife. There's nothing that you can do. I still remember Dlamuka's first wife last week, she did say ukuthi uSiyaqela uyafana noDlamuka. This means that uThando need to begezela yonke into. If uSiyaqela saying we are going to the left, uThando, she has no choice but to follow uSiyaqela. So many people, guys, are worried ngoThando, guys. Even on TikTok, whenever she's posting a video, people will say, "Hayibo Thando, uhamba nini, umdivorce nini uSiyaqela." She did mention on that podcast to say that I do see the comments when people are saying when I'm going to live with Siyaqela, but ngizoyaphi. That is so painful, guys. Ngizoyaphi. Akana la azoya khona uThando, guys. It doesn't mean ukuthi akafuni ukumyeka uSiyaqela. The problem was uzoyaphi. I don't know, maybe if people, they could build a house for Thando, but we know that obviously uSiyaqela will own the house. The problem here uSiyaqela, guys. But if uThando she make the decision and say ngiyamyeka uSiyaqela, trust me, there will be a huge change in her life. I mean, uThando, she's very smart, guys. uThando, she's so smart. It's just that she needs that support, and she's not getting the enough support. Obviously, those are not her real parents. They are in-laws. Obviously, guys, what do you expect from in-laws? Let's hope one day she will choose herself and make a right decision. Amyeke uSiyaqela and move on and live her best life. She's still young. She still can make it in life. It's not too late. But anyway, guys, let's tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.